To edit party settings, go to the Manage tab and select Party Settings. So here you can see several options. You can see a list of current party times. You can see all the party rooms that are associated with the times. And here's where you can add times. So you can select a room or select a day. You can choose weekends or weekdays. This will do multiple times. You can select a start time and an end time for the time that you are adding. And you can select a start day and an end day. So this is where the time will actually take effect. Outside of those days, it will not appear. Here's where you can add party rooms and view the existing party rooms. So just write in the name. You can write an optional description, set the max occupancy size, and whether or not it will be available online when a customer is booking a party. So here you can block dates, so these will be unavailable to customers. And then there's a list of block dates there as well. And you can also block times. So you just select the date and then you select the time. And you can go to the calendar and block times as well. So you can just toggle available party times. And then you can choose to select the date and then block the time. You can also edit the online settings. So the lead time is set in days so that people can't book parties within 3 days of the date that they choose. And then the terms and conditions and the messages that will appear during the online booking. And you can choose to edit a party room as well that already exists. So that's a brief overview of the Party Settings tab.